Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that always makes a wedding day feel extra special. Those gorgeous flowers. We're talking about the top 5 wedding floral trends that are going to be huge in 2025. Whether you're saying I do next year, dreaming of your big day way down the road, or just love to fill your home with beautiful blooms, you are in for a treat. We're diving into the colors, textures, and styles that are about to be everywhere. So grab yourself a glass of sweet tea, get comfy, and let's talk all things flowers. You know I'm a sucker for anything that stands the test of time, and when it comes to wedding flowers, nothing beats the romance and elegance of classic roses. They're making a big comeback, y'all, and I couldn't be more thrilled. What I love about this trend is that it's all about embracing the beauty of simplicity. Think lush, full blooms in shades of ivory, blush, and even deep reds. We're talking about those timeless varieties that your grandmother probably carried on her wedding day. Whether they're gathered in a cascading bouquet, woven into a delicate flower crown, or gracing the reception tables in vintage-inspired vases, classic roses just have a way of making any celebration feel extra special. They're pure magic. Now, if you're looking for a way to add a touch of rustic charm to your wedding day, look no further than dried flowers. This trend is all about embracing the beauty of imperfection, those muted colors, delicate textures, and unique shapes that you just can't find anywhere else. Think dried lavender, bunny tails, pampas grass, and even dried roses. They're perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to bouquets, creating stunning ceremony backdrops, or adding a touch of boho chic to your reception tables. And the best part, dried flowers last forever, so you can enjoy them long after you say I do as a reminder of your special day. Now, how sweet is that? One of the things I love most about flowers is how they connect us to the beauty of nature. And this next trend is all about celebrating that connection. Using locally sourced flowers isn't just good for the environment, it's good for the soul. Imagine walking down the aisle surrounded by blooms that were grown with love just a few miles away. It's such a special way to support local farmers and add a truly personal touch to your wedding day. Plus, choosing seasonal flowers means your arrangements will be bursting with fresh, vibrant colors and unique varieties that you might not find anywhere else. It's all about embracing the beauty of what's in season. We're all about making choices that are good for the planet, and our weddings should be no different. That's why I'm so excited about the rise of sustainable floral arrangements. From using biodegradable materials like twine and burlap to repurposing flowers from the ceremony at the reception, there are so many creative ways to reduce waste and create a more eco-friendly celebration. And the best part? Sustainable doesn't mean sacrificing style. In fact, some of the most beautiful arrangements I've seen incorporate elements like foraged greenery, potted plants, and even fruits and vegetables. It's all about thinking outside the box and letting nature be your guide. Get ready to embrace a world of color because vibrant hues are taking center stage in 2025. Think rich jewel tones, sunny yellows, and bold fuchsias. Anything that makes a statement and reflects the joy of your special day. I love the idea of incorporating these colors not just in the bouquets and centerpieces, but also in unexpected places like the ceremony backdrop, the escort card display, and even the wedding cake. Don't be afraid to mix and match different colors and textures to create a look that's truly unique and reflects your personal style. After all, it's your day to shine. Well, friends, there you have it. 5 stunning wedding floral trends that are going to be huge in 2025. Whether you're drawn to the timeless elegance of classic roses or the vibrant joy of bold colors, there's a trend out there for every couple. I hope this video has inspired you to think outside the box and create a wedding day that's as beautiful and unique as your love story. Remember, it's all about surrounding yourself with the things that bring you joy. Thanks for watching. If you loved these trends, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more wedding inspiration. See you next time.